Attention, YouTubers, bloggers, and aspiring influencers. We have big news for you. This will expand your knowledge and take your content to the next level. So are you struggling and tired to watch the whole video or lecture and struggling to keep up with long videos and information overload? Meet Lily's AI, the perfect solution to get clean, concise summaries of your video content in minutes. AI use in summarization. Lily AI quickly generates summaries of YouTube videos, saving users time and effort, while allowing them to get key points without watching the entire content. It takes a YouTube URL and provides a summarized version of the video, making it easy to grasp key concepts without watching the full video. Subscription plans. Here we have free plan, then starter plan, which cost almost $5, and basic plan, which cost round about $12, and Pro plan, which cost $40. These plans are month-based. Moreover, it gives 14-day free trial. Cancel subscription anytime. Later on, I'll teach you how. Getting started with Lily AI. Open any search engine. I'll use Google Chrome and type Lily AI. I'll also paste the link in the description or just click the link. Then you will see this type of dashboard. It is really simple and easy to use. Let's create our account. Simply click on Sign Up and select Google account. Within 1 or 2 seconds, it will create. Okay, it's done. So we have different functions and features here. So let's see each function one by one. First, search function. Imagine you're working on a project or preparing a lecture, and you need to quickly find a specific file among hundreds on your computer. Instead of scrolling endlessly through folders, the search function acts like a personal assistant, helping you find exactly what you need in seconds. Then, why waste time manually searching through endless files when you can let Lily.ai do the heavy lifting? With its advanced search algorithms, finding exactly what you need is faster than ever. Get more done in less time with Lily.ai's smart search function. We can search anything while using this function. Let's search the national game. Oh, here we have many videos related to the search. Here we can choose the specific language. Let's try Korean. Wow, it really awesome. Let's click the video. So in the bottom right, we have the option View Full Summary. Just click on it. This could take a few seconds or a few minutes. Here it is, working on the same video which we have selected. Embrace the process. While the AI works its magic, trust that patience will lead to the best results. So we have key points, timeline, and summary. Yes, it is easy and very useful. Second, video function. Let's say you just finished watching a 2-hour-long webinar about digital marketing strategies. Instead of going back and reviewing the whole video, a video summarizer can give you the highlights in minutes. It pulls out the key points, like actionable steps or important insights, allowing you to grasp the most critical information without spending extra time. Whether it's for company meetings, webinars, or even lecture reviews, a video summarizer becomes a game changer for productivity. Don't have hours to rewatch meetings or webinars? Lily.ai's video summarizer gives you the key points in minutes, so you can stay on top of everything without the hassle. It's like having a personal assistant who watches your videos for you. So, this is one of the best functions. We can upload the video. By clicking this upload button, we can also paste the link of the video. Let's upload the video, so I'll upload this video. Then click this arrow button. It will take few min to analyze, or maybe depend on your internet connection. Here we go, so I'm excited to see the results. So we can also edit the summary and change according to our need. If we click on the video in the timeline area, it will show the exact scene and the keywords here. Wow, it is amazing. Let's try with video link. So we will paste the link of the random YouTube video, and let's see. Lilies.ai will analyze your video. Depending on its length, this could take a few seconds or a few minutes. Then click this arrow button. It will take few min to analyze, or maybe depend on your internet connection. Stay calm and let the technology do its thing. You'll be amazed at what's coming. So on the top, we have several options: summary note, script, timestamp, blog post. Moreover, the function is same, but the way is different. It will summarize the video, but we have many ways to summarize the video which we want without any excuse. Let's see these features in detail. So we have summary note. This is place where the video will appear after processing. It has different parts as we discussed before, like editing summary. If I select the paragraph and I want to bold it, then I'll use this button, and want to underline, then this one. Yes, it is the same as Microsoft Word document function. It is really easy and simple. Lily AI didn't give us only summary of the video, but to customize it freely, it is great. Even though we have adjusted the style of heading, and you see all the summary note are adjusted in seconds. Wow, amazing. I like the Lily AI, timeline, and key points of the video. I'll use it for my lecture and notes. It will save my time. Wow, I love it. This one is script. Here you can see the script written with timestamp. If you click on the timestamp here, it will play the video. We don't have much in this function. Let's see the next one. Here is the timestamp. You can see the video timestamp with important key points or headings. Let's see the next one. Let's see is blog post. It also allows us to use the video as a blog post, which is very cool. Even if you are a blog writer, this website is very useful for you. It covers multi-purpose, summarizer for students, time saver for everyone, easy to use, and blog maker for blogger. Wow, it gives many features for free, lovely. Fourth function, PDF. Let's say you've just been emailed a 50-page report on market trends for your next business presentation. You don't have time to go through every single page before your meeting. Instead of skimming the whole document, you can use a PDF summarizer to extract the most relevant information, such as major trends, statistics, and conclusions. In just a few seconds, you'll have a concise summary of the entire report, allowing you to prepare efficiently for your presentation. Say goodbye to reading through pages of reports. With Lily.ai's PDF summarizer, you get the essential information in seconds, leaving you with more time to focus on what really matters. Let Lily.ai streamline your document review process. Please upload the PDF file you wish to summarize. Click here, and the file to upload. I will upload this. Imagine effortlessly grasping key points from hours of video in seconds. Lily AI makes it possible, turning complexity into clarity. Although we have the option to change the summary into other language. Let's continue with English. Maximize your time and productivity with Lily AI. In just a few clicks, you'll transform hours of video into bite-sized knowledge. Let's check the summary. Fifth function, recording. Imagine you're running a training session for your team in different time zones, recording everything for those who couldn't attend. Instead of watching the entire 2-hour recording, you can upload the file to a website with a built-in summarizer. In a few minutes, the system will provide you with a concise summary of the key discussion points, important questions, and action items. Or, let's say you're directly recording a class or a meeting through the website, and as soon as you finish, the summarizer generates a quick overview of what was discussed. This way, you save hours of review time and can easily share summaries with your team. Why waste time sorting through hours of recorded meetings? With Lily.ai, simply upload your file or record directly on the website, and it instantly summarizes the key points for you. No more endless replays. Lily.ai has got you covered. If you have any recorded files and you want to summarize these, Lily.ai is your best option. If not, then you can direct record through the website. Lily AI is the best one. I have the recorded audio file. Let's try this one here first. We have to select the language of the audio file which we are uploading, and then we can select the language in which we want the audio to be summarized. Lily.ai makes summarizing videos effortless, boosting both productivity and creativity. I love Lily.ai. It will save a lot of time. Sixth function, text. Let's say you've just received a long email from a colleague outlining a project proposal. It's several pages long, and you don't have time to read through all the details before your next meeting. Instead of skimming, you use a text summarizer to quickly generate a summary that highlights the key objectives, deadlines, and action steps. In just seconds, you have all the critical information you need to move forward with the project. Enjoyed the content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Your support keeps the content coming, saving you time and making sure you don't miss anything important. Drowning in long reports or articles? Let Lily.ai's text summarizer instantly pull out the highlights so you can focus on what matters most. It's like having a speed reader by your side, giving you the insights you need in seconds. Converting text. Simple text for summarize seems impossible and unreal, but Lily.ai make it happen, and it allows you to paste or type the text for summary. Let's try it. I will paste the text, and I'll select the language, of course, English. Let's click this arrow button. This part we can change the name of the specific task we will do. I will write the Dead Sea. And here we have the summary. Mind-blowing. I love it. Lily AI allows you to unlock efficiency, gain valuable insights in minutes.